Yeah, I think that generally for our team, we pretty much usually have slow starts. So that was a really big focus for us, and I'm very happy that we got out there, had a fast start. Draw controls were huge, and we also struggle with those a lot. I think moving forward, we're a second half team, and we reached that today. So kind of combining the two halves, so we will get ourselves some nice wins. Yeah, I think that we had a pretty good scout on them. Unfortunately, we just couldn't get into a rhythm. I think first half we generally had Souter taking them, so she was able to get into a rhythm. I think in the second half we kind of tried to do too many things. I think that was where our downfall was, but the draw is a big point of emphasis for our team in general. So I think keep working on those, get into a rhythm sooner than later, and we'll get moving. Yeah, we just talked about it in our huddle. We still have a lot to prove in the Big Ten. It's our first season, and we have not made the statement that we've done so far. So hopefully we'll get to see one of those two teams get into Penn State or Maryland in the tournament, but just taking all this energy, fixing the things we didn't do so well, and getting into Penn State.
Back here at Homewood Field, I'm joined now by head coach Janine Tucker. The Blue Jays fall to Penn State 16-10 Saturday afternoon. Coach, I thought just talked to Haley. It was a strong first half from your guys, leading as many as 8-4 at one point in that first half. What can you take away from that first half performance and build on moving the rest of the season?
Well, I told the girls at the end of the game I was really proud of the effort. I was really proud of the performance. We did a lot of really great things. We just played an excellent team. They happened to capitalize on a couple of mistakes we made, a couple of unforced turnovers. They did an excellent job in the second half of the draw, and we were pulling out all the stops, but they were just one step quicker than us. So to be honest with you, I'm taking a lot of positives away from this game. Even though it's a loss, we won in a lot of different areas, and that's what we're going to focus on in the game.
And defensively, despite giving up 16 goals, it really seemed like they had to work for all of these things that they did have. Caroline had a great goal or a great day in the cage. What did you think of that defensive performance, and how can you improve it?
Yeah, I think when you look at the 16 goals, you kind of question that. But to be honest with you, I thought our defense played a phenomenal. Especially in the second half, they played a lot of defense, and they did get the ball back for us. And I think one thing we're going to learn to do a little better offensively is to protect them a little bit more. I think that we kind of were pushing things offensively when maybe we needed to give the D a little bit of a break. So again, a lot of really good teachable moments from this game.
And at the draw circle, playing against somebody in Madison Carter who does a great job for Penn State, and you guys really held your own between the three different people you were rotating from the draw circle. What's been the mindset there at the draw, and moving forward, what can we help you improve?
I think a lot of things that we got to improve are just getting a quick first step and really running through the ball, whether it's in the air or on the ground. The anticipation of running through has a lot to do with it, but Madison did do an excellent job. We have to give her credit. I do think we had some answers there for a while, but they just had a stretch where they really did hurt us at the end.
Hopkins will return to the field on Thursday when they travel to Evanston, Illinois to take on Northwestern. You can watch that game live on Big Ten Network. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check back to hopkinsports.com for everything Johns Hopkins.